Good evening, everyone. This is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a little how-to video. We're going to be actually replacing the McHenry coupler on this Amtrak Silverline passenger car in Phase 4 by Athearn Ready to Roll. And I don't know if the camera can pick this up or not, but you see that coupler right there is sprung open. That just means the coupler is worn out, and over time your couplers get worn out from being coupled and sometimes being packaged in a big drawer. Sometimes it may damage it. So you don't need many tools. You need a little stand like I've got here. Get a piece of plywood and take a couple pieces of wood and take a hole saw and cut the holes out. You'll need this, a small flathead screwdriver, a whole hobby-sized screwdriver, and a pack of McHenry couplers. The repair is really simple. You can do this in less than 5 minutes. So you want to take your screwdriver and just carefully pry the cover coupler cover off. Being careful not to break it. Hold on. Get a good grip. See, it just pops off like that. And if it does drop, you just got to pick it up. Oh, there it is on the floor. Hang on. And you can see the old coupler has been taken out. That's the old one. You set that one off to the side. Now, we open the brand new pack of McHenry couplers. And you can order these directly from Athearn, or you can order these off Amazon. You take one out of the bag. Make sure the hose is straight on it, and it is. Then we close the bag up. If you want to, you can take a little piece of tape, or you can take a paper clip to keep these sealed, because these do go everywhere. Now we set the car back up on the stand. We set it right in the grooves. And then just take the coupler cover and just put it right back on there, if my fingers will cooperate. Make sure you line it back up. Carefully press it down. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It's being a little bit of a pain. There we go. You probably heard a little small click. That just means it's in there securely. It's on there. It's lined back up, and as you can see, the coupler is safely secure. And that's it. And that's just for a passenger or a freight car. So this video can help you with your passenger and freight cars. I will also be doing one on one of the engines that I have as well, and replacing the couplers in the near future. So this is just a quick 5-minute fix. The couplers are relatively expensive, and you can see it barely took any time at all. So I hope this video was of some help. If you have any questions about maybe changing out a coupler and maybe the best way to go about it, leave a comment in the description box, but I will give you some advice. One of the things that I recommend is, if you are working with Athearn cars, use Athearn couplers. If you're using Bachmann cars, you need to use Bachmann couplers, because the best thing you can use is use the correct brand part with the correct brand of car, just because all the parts just go together. You can see I've had these cars for a number of years. I'm trying to get the set running again, and I'm going to be testing the cars out with the couplers, and going to be having some fun with these again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I thank you guys for watching.